Harvey's a different beast.
Yes. So there's still a lot of questions when it comes to Harvey. We don't actually have the reformed storm just yet. We're expecting that to happen sometime during the day today, and that will give us more answers. So yesterday, the hurricane hunters, they kind of had to sample the entire Gulf of Mexico because we do not have a closed area of low pressure. Until that happens, it's very hard for our computer models to be accurate and really know what's going on with the system. So the bottom line is be prepared, and be prepared for quick changes, and make sure that you're watching this forecast like a hawk. There's a lot to cover, so we're going to cover little things within each time that you check in with one of our meteorologists. So you have to make sure that you're just staying on top of it and watching us frequently. So here's a live look downtown. Of course, we got to get you through today. Today's a great day to make sure that your gas is filled into your car to the brim. So make sure that you're completely filled up on all your vehicles. Temperature wise, we're very comfortable this morning. We're in the 70s. We're at 74 degrees currently in Conroe, 77 degrees here in town, in the low 80s at the coast. We're expecting a typical August day, but we are going to increase our rain chances compared to yesterday. A lot of heat, mid 90s this afternoon with feel like temperatures 101 to 104, a 30% chance of those afternoon downpours. So getting the kids out the door is going to be quite easy. Picking them up, it might be a different deal. So we all know our rainy day dismissals. Make sure that you have all those preparations in place. So here's the latest on what we're seeing in the Gulf of Mexico. That broad area of low pressure has now entered the Bay of Campeche. A ton of hot water out there. Also important to note, a cold front moving into North Texas. Those two mechanisms are going to work together to bring about a lot of heavy rain for us. For today, we're going to easily be able to tackle our scattered showers. Our Futurecast model shows them developing around 11 o'clock in the morning. Take a look at this afternoon, scattered downpours, and that's why I'm letting you know that picking up the kids after school might be a little tricky, especially for after school practices. As we get closer to 6 o'clock, so the peak of the evening rush, a little more quiet. We start to wrap things up, and things are looking good for this evening. The latest on what's happening with Harvey, again, it's not a tropical storm just yet, but we're tracking that broad area of low pressure with winds sustained around 30 miles per hour. Everything is in place for this storm system to strengthen as we go throughout the day. It's being steered by two areas of high pressure. Tropical systems always go for the path of least resistance, which is right between that weakness there on that ridge of high pressure. So we're looking at potential landfall sometime during the day on Friday, anywhere between North Mexico into Corpus Christi and possibly into Southeast Texas. Again, there's a lot of questions because we do not have a legitimate storm to be tracking. So that's why I'm letting you know it's important to take those preparations so you're prepared in case we see those fast moving changes, because we're already within 48-hour window. So there's going to be not a lot of time to actually make preparations. Wind shear is very low, so that's why we're expecting that storm to actually develop. We have a lot of things against us in this forecast. Water temperatures mid to upper 80s. That's bath water. Completely possible to see tropical development here. The only thing that could help us out, take a look at this on water vapor, where you see the orange and black coloration. That's dry air in the Gulf of Mexico. That could get sucked into that system. So that's one thing that's working in our favor. It could hamper the system from becoming too strong. We're looking at the possibility of a tropical storm to maybe a Category 1 hurricane. So that dry air at least is on our side. This is our in-house model. Again, there's multiple models that we'll be showing you throughout this morning. We're going to start things off with what we're forecasting in-house. Looks like that storm system wants to take it just south of Brownsville. There's a look at that cold front. The question is what happens after that point. If it lingers, we're taking a look at heavy rain for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and potentially on Monday. So the European model keeps us very heavy with rainfall over 3 days, and that means rainfall totals over 16 inches of rain possible in Southeast Texas. Now that's in comparison to the American model, which is pumping up 10 to 12 inches of rain. So that's why it's so important to be prepared, and those preparations have to take place today because we could see anything happen with this system. So there are still a lot of questions out there, so make sure that you're watching the forecast and being prepared for those quick changes. For today, a 30% chance of rainfall. Of course, Jen, on the 10-day, you're going to notice that huge ramp up. We are looking at the potential of heavy rain for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and potentially on Monday.